All right, just a quick update for you. My daughter and I just got the front door on, but both these doors are all cut and buffed. Just got them covered up. I can't wait to take all the wrapping off. All the panels are all re-dyed and cleaned up. New door handles, re-dyed those. I actually re-dyed the brand new door handles too because they didn't really match all that great. But yeah, she's coming along. All the interior's all done on this side. New window regulators also on all 4 windows. Kind of did a bonehead move. I want to go put this this door seal in, and that's got to go in before the dash does. So I got to pull the dash back out, which I guess isn't a huge deal because I got to run some wiring and stuff for the drive-by-wire throttle. I got to make a harness from the pedal to the ECU, and from the ECU to the throttle body. So I ended up buying the wrong throttle body. I bought a 90 millimeter for some odd reason, which is this one. And I ended up needing a 68 millimeter, which is I don't even know what to do with it. Oh, I think it's on my little parts bin. But I got it's something outside our garage, I believe. Made an adapter to go to the yeah, here it is right here. Yeah, that's the little guy there. The nice thing is that it bolts directly onto my Forester intake manifold. I mean, I gotta put helicoils in, but it's the exact same bolt pattern, which is really nice. Open this up without dropping it. So there, you can see this goes right over top of that, and then you can clock this any which direction you want. But if you look, it's the exact same spacing. So that'll be really, really nice. Like I said, the bolts, I just have to helicoil or weld those up and re-drill them, because those are 1/2 inch, I believe, and these are an M6. Not 1/2 inch, I'm sorry, 5/16. 5/16 or 3/8. And these are like an M6 or an M8. So I gotta redo that. But yeah, she's coming along. Kind of been slow here lately, but and then it's like a 6-week wait for my coilovers. Those just came in today, so that'll be nice. I've got key-ins right now, so those will be going bye-bye when I start redoing the subframes. So yeah, that's I think that's pretty much all I've been getting done. Yeah, I'm working on all my other vehicles except this one here lately. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick little update, and still moving forward, just not as fast as I want to. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.